In this teaching unit, you are going to learn about a number of tools and commands that are extremely useful when working with digital surfaces and models. Our surfaces already having been calculated using both the old cartography and the latest digital model. How can we update or merge these results to return to work with a new certification the following month? We are going to work with the delete area command in this case. First of all, we are going to create a new sketch and load the surface with MDT, Surfaces, Current Surface, selecting MDT Top Actual. We are then going to calculate the boundary of this surface using MDT Break Line and make it equidistant outwards with the MDT Break Lines Displaced Parallel command. We specify not to create points and use the same height, moving between 10 and 15 centimeters. We copy this contour and go to a blank sketch to load a surface again, only bigger, and we paste the contour of our small surface in the original coordinates onto it. This having been done, the next step is to empty the areas, which simply involves deleting the triangulation zone in this area to ensure there is no digital model in it. We specify to delete the inner area and not to create any points in the contacts. We can establish a new surface for safety purposes so as not to overwrite the previous one and accept. Calculate the contacts of our line and empty it, thereby ensuring the digital model is not inside. The next step is to return to the previous sketch to delete or conceal the contour line and to copy all the triangles, checking that it is in 3D and that it has not been activated. Using MDT, Utilities, Configuration, we then activate the Surfaces button to draw the surface in 3D for us. We copy it once again and paste it on our empty surface in accordance with the original coordinates. Due to the fact the standard version does not feature the Merge Surfaces command, we will use the MDT Surfaces Create Surface command. We create a new surface name, such as Merged 3D Surface, save it, and then deactivate the contours and contour lines, specifying that the break line is going to be the triangles in our triangulation surface. We deactivate the rest and accept. The result is as follows. We can delete the lines outside our boundary, and as we can see, the two surfaces have been merged into one. We now go to MDT, Surfaces, Utilities, Save Surface, and check it. We are now going to make a new sketch and select the latter. We conduct a quick profile to check the digital model has also been generated between the edge or contour of the two, or we can also bend to be able to see how this area has been merged by zooming in.